is going to make it rain.
See that? All that cash. Make it rain!
That was $116. Gabe has definitely had fun. And a check.
In 20s, 10s, 5s, 1s, all of this cash, and we're gonna make it rain.
That was really fun, and Gabe made it rain.
Yeah! See you next time.
On Gabe's channel.
Braden Dyer, if you're ever watching this, you're laughing right now, trust me, I know. This is only going to Braden Dyer from Eakin Middle School, 6th grade. So, just subscribe.
Water bottle, $6.99.
Oh, fuck. That's not true. Okay.
Now you're laughing.
We're gonna make it rain one more time, okay? Cash. Yeah, making rain.
You're gonna rip the money. I'm gonna break that.
Yeah, you are. Money. Tip it today. Subscribe and like and watch my other videos. See you next time.
On Gabe.